Okay, buddy. What's the word? Is there a word, buddy? You ain't saying nothing. Being shy. Okay, so on the 2020 F-150, here's the door. See how bad that is? We got another door shipped to us. It's very dirty, but we're getting it in there. Looks a lot better. It's got some scuffs on it. We're gonna have to buff it out pretty good, but I think all that'll come out. Little scratches here and there, but I think it'll all come out. Pretty dirty. I think it was covered in dust and they just wiped it down, probably with a dry rag. But this is the next one we're doing. It's not that bad damaged here, but we're gonna go ahead and replace it anyway. Looks like I got a little upgrade on my door handles. Got the painted finish on them instead of plastic look. There you have it. A little update on the 2020 F-150. All right, here's the front door. Got some scuffs and stuff like that. This is the door that's going on it, but it still looks good. It's nothing but paint. No major dings. Little teeny dent right there. A little dent over there. It's not the end of the world though. Little chip here. You're gonna get that when you get used doors. They're not gonna come to you perfect. And you can see where the company that sold these to me up north, they just kind of slide them around on the floor and stuff, so they get all scraped up. So you need to cover that up, or you're gonna end up with rust on the bottom of your doors. And so that's gonna replace this one with a dent there, pretty big dent there. Just no body work necessary if we're just doing paint later. Here's how the other door turned out. The gaps and everything are absolutely perfect. Everything's great. Well, here's the progress. You know, when you order doors online, you end up in a situation where you don't know exactly what you're getting until you get it. You know, it's not too bad. It does have a lot of, I don't know if you can see that. See them lines here? Yeah, you can definitely see it. Scratches here, and I think these scratches are after the vehicle they were taken off of, maybe in the box or something. They came in. Scratches here, pretty good. Scratches here, scratches there. Yeah, it's kind of aggravating. This is all scratched up, and I'll just have to take that off my door. That could probably be buffed out. And these are painted, and mine weren't. So, looks, nobody would know that these doors didn't come on this truck. Obviously, I've got to replace that. I've got a set. I just haven't put them on yet. Anyway, here's another bad scuff, and I think this is where the armrest was rubbing on it when it was traveling in an 18-wheeler on the way over here. So looks like I got this left, but I want to show you the inside. They're pretty messy. I wiped them down a little bit, but you know, they're pretty scuffed up here, and this one's got some aftermarket stuff on it here and here. They're decent. They're not damaged beyond repair, but they are a different color. And excuse the mess. I went hunting this morning and working this afternoon, but see, that's gray, and that's flat finish, and this has got that kind of checkered finish, making it look a little more higher end. And this is black. So all this is black versus the gray over there. And this one came out of another vehicle, off of another vehicle anyway. And this one has gray here, smooth gray, and mine is a rough textured gray. And this one has a soft armrest. I like that. It's soft here, soft there. I really do like that. So I think I'm going to take my armrests and wrap them. So I'm gonna take my panels, my door panels, off of my doors and put them on here so that it'll all match, and plus mine were in better shape. And then before I put them back on, I'm probably going to wrap these in some type of upholstery with some padding. I really do like that. And it doesn't look like they did anything but just wrap the lower end armrest. So anyway, and that's my mirror, by the way. We took my mirror off. But I'd say it looks decent. You know, I mean, I wouldn't have to paint it. I could buff out most of it. I might end up painting the whole vehicle anyway, but we'll see. I hadn't washed it yet, and I've had it for a couple of months. So it's about time to wash it. But I was waiting because I knew I was taking the doors off, and the doors were all torn up and things like that. So almost looks like it has a little dent right there. I think it's all right. And it's pushed in a little bit right there. Somebody probably pushed it real hard or something. But anyway, just wanted to show you all the progress. Thanks for watching. See you guys.